Hello everyone, this is Aishwarya from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today in this video, you will be knowing about comparison of plant cell and an animal cell. First, let us see what is plant cell. Kingdom Plantae majorly comprises of multicellular eukaryotes, living things that are autotrophic by nature. Moreover, the organelles in plant cells such as chloroplast, cell wall, vacuole helps in differentiating them from animal cells. While there is a huge amount of plant species that have not yet been discovered, the ones identified are around 4 lakh in number. Generally, the range of plant cells will vary from 10 to 100 micrometer in size. Plant cells are responsible for performing the function of photosynthesis. As a result, we refer to green plants as autotrophs. It is done due to the presence of chlorophyll in the chloroplast of the plant cells. Cellulose makes up the cell wall that offers support and rigidity to the cells. Now let us see the functions of plant cells. Plant cells are the fundamental building blocks of plant life, performing all the processes required for survival. Photosynthesis is the process of converting light energy, carbon dioxide and water into food. It occurs in the cell's chloroplast. The following are some examples of specialized plant cells. Collenchyma cells. Collenchyma cells are made up of elongated living cells with irregular mean thick walls. They can change shape and grow in same way that plants do. The fact is that collenchyma is exceedingly plastic. That is, the cells can stretch and so respond to greater organ growth is significant. Sclerenchyma cells. The cells of the sclerenchyma are stiffer. They are the primary sustaining cells in plant regions that have stopped developing. Mature sclerenchyma cells are often dead cells with thickened secondary walls. They also have a high cellulose content 60 to 80% and serve the purpose of giving structural support to plants. Parenchyma cells, the simple permanent ground tissues that make up the majority of plant tissues, such as the soft component of leaves, fruit pulp, and other plant organs, are known as parenchyma. They are present in leaves and perform photosynthesis, cellular respiration, and metabolic process. They also store chemicals such as carbohydrates and proteins and aid in plant healing. Xylem cells. This tissue aids in the transfer of dissolved chemicals and water throughout the plant. Tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers are examples of xylem components. The xylem transports water and dissolved minerals from the roots to the leaves of the plant. Phloem cells. It delivers nutrients produced by photosynthesis to all areas of the plant. Sugars and amino acids dissolved in water are transported by phloem. The phloem transports nourishment from the leaves to the roots. Now let us see what is animal cell. The kingdom Animalia takes up the 3/4 part of all the species on the planet Earth. The human body is made up of 10 power 14 cells and their size varies from 10 to 30 micrometer in diameter. Animal cells do not consist of the cell wall and chloroplast, and that mainly differentiates them from the plant cells. The primary distinction between animal and plant cell is that animal cells cannot produce their own nutrition. The nucleus, cell membrane, and cytoplasm are the three primary components of most animal cells. There is a belief that the cell walls disappeared within the evolution, which resulted in the development of animal cells with the more advanced cells, tissues, and organs that are more specified in their operation. Thus, nerves and muscles assist in locomotion, mobility, and performing other functions as well. Now let us see the functions of animal cell. All of the cells work together in harmony to help the organism survive. The collection of comparable tissues will form the various organs of the body, such as the heart, lungs, and so on. And these organs will collaborate to make the organ system, such as neurological system, digestive system, circular system, and so on. A few types of animal cells are skin cells. These cells can be found in the dermal and epidermal layers of the skin. These cells are effective at preventing water loss and providing a barrier to the external environment. Bone cells. Bone cells are responsible for the formation of an animal's skeleton and bones. Bone cells communicate with one another to maintain balance and ultimately control bone structure and function. They also assist with body movement. Muscle cells. It aids in the production of the body's delicate organs. They can help to organize the movement of your limbs and tissues when they are clustered together. Blood cells. These cells serve as the body's transporters carrying hormones and nutrients. They transport oxygen throughout the body via the bloodstream. Nerve cells. These are specialized cells that are programmed to transmit impulses or information. Neurons, also known as nerve cells, are brain cells that send and receive messages. The cell body, which includes the nucleus, a primary branching fiber, axon, and numerous small branching fibers comprise each nerve cell dendrites. Here is a diagram of a plant cell and an animal cell. A plant cell consists of Golgi vesicles, ribosome, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, large central vacuole, amyloplast, cell wall, cell membrane, Golgi apparatus, chloroplast, vacuole membrane, graphite crystal, Druce crystal, mitochondrion, cytoplasm. And an animal cell consists of pinocytotic vesicle, lysosome, Golgi vesicles, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, cell membrane, cytoplasm, ribosome, microtubules, centrioles, nucleus, nucleolus, mitochondrion, and Golgi apparatus. Meaning of a plant cell. They are eukaryotic cells having a true nucleus along with specialized structures known as organelles which perform specific functions. Meaning of an animal cell is a type of eukaryotic cells that lacks a cell wall and has a true membrane-bound nucleus along with other cellular organelles. Plant cells have a fixed size which is generally larger. The normal range is from 10 to 100 micrometers. Animal cell is irregular and small in size, ranges from 10 to 30 micrometers. Plant cells have a fixed and rigid shape, generally rectangular or cubical. Animal cell, they have a round and irregular shapes. Plant cell has a cell wall composed of the cell membrane and the cellulose. Animal cell do not have a cell wall. Plant cell is rigid wall cell and plasma membrane. Animal cell is surrounded by flexible and thin plasma membrane. In a plant cell, plastids are present. In an animal cell, plastids are absent. Plant cell is chloroplast is present in plant cell. Chloroplast is not present in animal cell. Ribosome is present in plant cell as well as animal cell. Cytoplasm is also present in plant cell as well as animal cell. The nucleus lies on one side of the plant cell. The nucleus lies in the cell wall center in the animal cell. Cilia is generally absent in plant cell. Cilia is generally present in animal cell. Centrioles are absent in plant cell and centrioles are present in animal cell. Mitochondria is present in smaller number in plant cell. Mitochondria is present in large number in animal cell. Glycosomes may be present in plant cell and absent in animal cell. Lysosomes are present in animal cell and absent in plant cell. Centrosomes are present in animal cell and absent in plant cell. Vacuoles are generally large and provide structural support. One huge vacuole. Vacuoles in animal cell are small in size and many vacuoles. Essential nutrients in plant cell. Plant cells can synthesize their own nutrients such as amino acids, vitamins, coenzymes that are required by the plant. Essential nutrients in animal cell. Animal cells cannot synthesize their own nutrients. Reserve food is present as starch in plant cell. Reserve food is present as complex carbohydrates and glycogen in animal cell. There are the different types of plant cell. They are parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, water conducting cells, and sieve tube members. Parenchyma stores organic products, whereas collenchyma offers structural support to the cell. Sclerenchyma's cell wall is embedded within lignin. Water conducting cells helps in transmitting water from roots to other parts of the plants. Finally, sieve tube members helps in transporting food and nutrients. Animal cells are also of different types. There are skin cells, bone cells, muscle cells, and blood cells, and nerve cells. Firstly, skin cells helps in protecting the internal parts and prevents the loss of water. After that, the bone cells make bones and skeleton of the animals and offer structural support and help in movement. Further, muscle cells helps in protecting the delicate organs of the body. Moreover, blood cells carry hormones and nutrients in the body. Finally, we have nerve cells that send impulses or information to help the body connect and perform actions. Thank you everyone for watching my video.